Dr. Zhao is a licensed acupuncturist in the province of Alberta. He's a graduate of China's top medical university with extensive training in both Western and traditional Chinese medicine. Dr. Zhao has over 28 years of academic and clinical experience in Canada and China in treating disease, cancer, and pain, in which he has successfully helped thousands of patients achieve health and wellness. Let me introduce Dr. William Zhao, right here. Thank you.
Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Really appreciate you guys give me this opportunity and let me to communicate what I'm doing as an acupuncture Chinese medicine doctor. And if anybody have any questions, just raise your hands. We can discuss it. I just little bit stress. This is a little bit stress for me, but I will do my best. Okay? Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm doing the natural therapy. Okay. I use my remedy is acupuncture and herbal medicine. Also, we sometimes use the cupping and the massage, but my majority remedies is the acupuncture and the herbal medicine. Okay, we can help the pain issue, acute pain, chronic pain, arthritis, depression, insomnia, fatigue, cancer, all this stuff. Okay, this is a popular problem in North America. Not only that, I treated this in 6 sessions. You will feel benefit. You feel difference. Before the seminar, that gentleman mentioned to me he got an acupuncture treatment. That gentleman got acupuncture from the acupuncturist. He feel very good result. And another gentleman mentioned to me he has a herbal formula. He told me the herbal formula cure his cancer. I don't use the cure. I always use the help. Okay, my acupuncture and the herbs help cancer, help the pain, help all these kind of issues in natural way. In natural way. It's not use drugs. I was a Western medicine doctor in China. Okay. Also, I was also a Chinese medicine doctor and a registered acupuncturist in Alberta too. But I use the natural way. I don't use the drugs. In China, I used the drug before, but now here I use the natural way. Okay. This is my education background. In China, you want to be a Chinese medicine doctor or acupuncturist, you have to get a 5 years education training. Okay, just like a doctor here, education training. Okay, so my total education is about 11 years. 5 years Chinese medicine, 5 years kind of Western medicine, and something like that. My experience is close to 50 years. I start my practice since 1982. Okay, and I get an honorary for my herbal medicine as a patent, and treated kind of a heart problem, treated diabetes from Beijing Health Care Board. Okay. Also, I'm the counselor of College Acupuncture Association Acupuncture Alberta. We have our own college to regulate ourselves. Before we are under the Alberta Health Awareness Department. Right now we are self-regulate by ourselves. We call the College Association acupuncturists of Alberta. Okay, so I got licensed. Okay, so that's my background. So my specialty is I was an oncologist in China. Okay, so and I use Western medicine and Chinese medicine to treat the cancer. Okay, in China we use a lot of chemo, and we know the chemo after chemo we have a lot. The patients have a lot of side effects. We use the acupuncture and the herbals to balance, to correct the side effects from the chemo and the radiation, and even the surgery. And also, we use the acupuncture and the Chinese medicine to prevent the high-risk group clients that have family history, something like that, to prevent from the cancer, from the diet, in the lifestyle, education, training, something like that. Okay, and also I use acupuncture and herbal medicine to help the patients after the surgery, after the radio, after the chemo. We offer the treatment, look after them in long term. I have a few cancer patients. They see me almost 10 years, over 10 years. They are totally, I cannot say cure, but they're totally remission. Okay, it's okay now. Everything's okay now. And her specialist, oncologist, told her, keep doing what you're doing. See that guy, what you see regularly. Don't stop. You are very good. Okay, I have a lot kind of a story. You guys have any question interesting? You just check my website. I have a business card there. Check my website, www.chinesemedicinecare.com. chinesemedicinecare.com. I do my best to help you guys. Don't treat me as a acupuncturist or doctor in China. Just treat me as a friend. Okay? I do my best to help everybody. I feel good. I feel pleasure. Okay? So, I know the Western culture, the doctor and the clients have some distance in China too. But I want no distance between us. Okay? I do my best to help everybody. Yeah. Okay. Any questions? No? Okay. That is my specialty. Balance the whole body. Okay? It's not only treat your pain issue, just like, I see a acupuncture there before, and I have a headache, put a needle there. Yeah, I do that job, but not that only they treat the headache or symptoms. Also balance your whole body. Balance your whole body, okay? And both balance your immune, hormone, and the nervous system, okay? And after the balance, okay, you will feel in 6 sessions, 3 weeks, and your blood pressure, your insomnia, hormone, unbalanced menopause, depression, anxiety, addiction, migraine, all this you feel difference in 6 sessions. I hate to say guarantee, but 90%, over 90% in 6 sessions, you feel difference. I tell you, if you see acupuncturists, Chinese medicine doctors, in 6 sessions, no difference, you have to think about. You find the right doctor, right acupuncturist, or the acupuncture Chinese medicine doctor give you a proper treatment. In 6 sessions, you should feel difference. Okay, that is I want to tell you tonight. Okay? Yeah, don't waste your money, waste your time. In 6 sessions, no difference, you have to think about. That is my recommendations for you guys. Okay? Yeah. So my strategy is a little bit different from the Western medicine. The Western medicine is the anti-therapy, the philosophy, the approach. Okay, my approach is the different anti-therapy. Anti-therapy, everybody knows that, antibiotics, okay? And antivirals, drugs, chemicals, right? That is mainstream medicine right now, okay? And my therapy is different from the hormone replacement. That's the way I call it replacement therapy. My therapy is different. My approach, strategy, philosophy is different. My strategy, philosophy is the balance therapy. Chinese medicine, okay, Chinese culture is the balance, okay? Balance is the natural power. The natural power is from your body yourself, okay? Okay. So I use the terminology yin and yang, qi and blood. This kind of Chinese medicine terminology, okay? Use this kind of aspect, make your body get a balance, your body slowly recover by yourself, by your own energy, by your own power. The power is not from me, it's from my needle, from my herbs, but your healing power is from yourself. My job is just to help your body to get a balance, and your body slowly recover by yourself. I kind of like a master, okay, acupuncture and the Chinese medicine master to help you balance yourself. That is my strategy or philosophy approach to the therapy. Okay, any questions for this? Okay.
How much do you charge for a visit, Doc?
Okay, good questions. My charge is price is $30 consultation, $75 for the acupuncture, and take the acupuncture treatment almost take 50 to 60 minutes to balance your whole body and to treat your main complaint or chief complaint. And after treatment, you must feel difference.
How long will it take? How many treatments?
Usually, I recommend you try 6 sessions.
6 sessions.
Yeah, you feel difference. And 6 sessions, you should feel 50, 60% your symptoms improving. It's getting less. Your condition is improving. You get better. Okay. And I just tell you, after the balance, I give you example. Your diabetes, I know it's your mostly customers prostate cancer here, but it's just for examples, diabetes, type 1, type 2. You use the drugs, your sugar level is very high, and even take the drugs still high, you take the insulin still high, come to see me, I give you acupunctures. In 2 weeks, give you acupuncture and herbs. In 2 weeks, your sugar must be down to below 7. Yeah, if not, I will refund your money. Okay, so my job, my work is must help or money refund. Okay, I do my best. Any questions? Yeah.
The cancer patients that you've been seeing up to 10 years, how often do you see them?
A very good questions. Before, she has many symptoms, many problems, once a week, and slowly cut to twice a month, slowly come to every 3 weeks. Every 3 weeks, she come to see me. And, she feel difference. And she feel better, and she can come to see once a month, the maintenance. Because the maintenance always help her immune system, nerve system, hormone system in the best stage. Okay? Any questions?
Can you explain at a very high level, the basic theory of how acupuncture works?
How acupuncture works?
That's on your slides.
Oh, is that upcoming?
That's coming up.
Yeah, that's coming. Yeah, I think it's coming. No worry. I think it's possibly I will explain to you more detail. Okay, this is the Chinese terminology, and but I also give you some Western medicine research too. Okay. Yeah. Any question?
Any of the patient costs covered by Alberta Healthcare?
Oh, that's a good question. I lobby By the way, I have to introduce myself a little bit more. I'm the chief examiner for Alberta for acupuncture license. Okay. Also, I'm the counselor for the acupuncture college acupuncture society of Alberta. We try to lobby the government for so many years to cover the acupuncture. The reason is one is the GST. I have to get 5 province register acupuncture, then we can cut the GST off, except the GST. And the next one, when we get 5 province cover the acupuncture, we can lobby the government cover the Health Canada or no, Health Alberta cover the acupuncture. But they know the acupuncture is working, but it's the budget. The big issue is the budget. But I still recommend you guys either phone call, either email to the Health Alberta Health Wellness Department and also the healthcare or your insurance to lobby them to cover you guys for seniors. BC is more fast than us. BC is for the low income. They give for $200 something for every low income get acupuncture treatment. I think Alberta should do the same thing at least, maybe better. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, have you taken on patients who have different forms of cancer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have different cancers. Different cancer patients use a different technique, use a different formula. Yeah. So not only prostate cancer. Yeah. That's your question?
Well, now, have you treated at all any patients, male or female, who had an overabundance of white cancer cells? In other words, cancer of the blood.
Okay, so for the gender, I treat a woman and a female and male cancer patients. Okay, I told you I treat the cancer patients not only work on the special, just like a PSA, right? The treatment, just for example, the PSA. I treated the cancer patients with the prostate cancer patients, the high level PSA. After the treatment, the PSA is slowly down. And for the white blood cells, after chemotherapy, the lots of cancer patients, the bone marrow being damaged, their white blood cells are low. I use acupuncture herbals. I usually take 3 months. The white blood cells is up. It's up, and also lots of tests you can try, and before after treatment your test is different, and also your doctor will tell you if they feel. They will tell you your results improving. Yeah, I would like to my strategy, my philosophy. I like you guys do the comparisons before after treatment. I always recommend you guys do that job before the treatment. What kind of symptoms, what kind of problem you have, and after treatment you do the comparisons, compared to how big difference. You have to do that way. Then you know it's benefit to you or not. Make sense? Okay. In the statistic knowledge of the way recommend is do the research in group by group. Also recommend before after your treatment you can feel difference. That makes sense for you. Make sense? Okay. So no questions. We can move on. Okay. Yeah. Because we have a lot of contents, I hope you have a lot of questions and we do the best, okay? Yeah, just the Western medicine, everybody easy to understand it. Western medicine, you have your own nervous system, you have your own immune system, you have your own hormone systems. I think everybody knows that, right? That is your balanced system. The Chinese medicine and acupuncture, okay, work on your 3 system, make your 3 system get balanced, okay? Not use the drugs, not use the vitamins. My approach strategy is acupuncture, and the herbs make your three system get a balance to normal. From my knowledge, Chinese medicine unbalance, before you have a problem, your three system disorder, no function first, then you get a cancer. Then you get a pain, then you can depression and fatigue. You have to your system unbalanced first, then you get a problem. Okay? That means your function disorder first, then your structure problem comes out. Make sense? Make sense, right? Okay. Okay, this is just to show the chart, the nerve system. Okay? The nervous system control your internal organs and your endocrine gland too. Okay, that is why nervous system balance your body. Okay, this is just the hormone system. Your hormone system have your three levels: brain level, endocrine level, and the receptor and the organ level. Right? All these three levels they balance by itself. Before you get a cancer, your endocrine system unbalanced for a long time, then you get the cancer. Make sense? Everybody agree? No? I think so far. Yeah, if you different opinion, you can challenge the doctors. Yeah, no worry. Yeah. Yeah, this is the male hormone system. You know, you are mostly interested in the prostate cancer. Okay, this is the immune system. You can see your immune system is accurate and innate. Okay, so before you have the problem, your immune system try to protect you. Okay, long term of the stress, after the chronic inflammation, virus or bacteria or whatever, and make your immune system totally mess, then your body, your immune system cannot kill your own cancer cells, and then your cancer cells slowly get more and more, then you get a cancer. Everybody agree that, right? That is why we need to look after your immune system, your nervous system, your hormone systems. Okay? So this is the Chinese medicine's balance system. Okay? In Chinese medicine knowledge, okay, Chinese medicine philosophy or strategy or whatever approach, so your body, any part of your body, connect these three systems, right? When you poke you feel pain. Why? You have nerve system there. Okay? Poke needles, your blood sugar down. Why? Because the points connect to your hormone system, make your body produce more insulin. Okay? You see me regularly for the acupuncture, then you can get rid of the flu. Okay? Your energy is better. Your sleep is better. Why? Your immune stronger. Lots of people tell me, oh, since I see you, I hardly get a flu anymore. Even the people around me, they're sick. The rest of family members, they're sick. I'm fine. Why? I told them, the needles stimulate your immune, make your immune stronger. Okay? I don't know anybody have that experience or not, but you can try. I can guarantee you get a benefit. Okay? You feel a difference. So your body, put the needles in your body, your hands, and we use the tongue. In China, we put the needle in the tongue, but here we only use the tongue for diagnosis. Okay, I will show you the chart. Okay, and also we use the air for the diagnosis and for the treatment. The eyes, we put a needle on eyes, and we put a needle on the face. Anywhere in Chinese medicine, we can put a needle there. How come? Because any part in your body connect through the nervous system, hormone system, immune system, they connect each other. Okay, when you use the needles, work on this part of the body, your body slowly get a balance, get recovered. Any questions for this part? Okay, I show you the chart, okay? That make sense? Yeah.
You studied 2,000 years of history.
Yeah, this is 2,000 years history, but we get more detail and understand more than before. Before we just roughly the picture. Right now we did a lot of research too in China. Okay, this kind of points has been improved. It's working. Okay, any questions? So your body is so smart, you can see. That is why you come to see me. I put a lot of needles in different part. Still, he knew that. You know, it's not only one needle. Okay. Yeah, you look like a porcupine. Yeah. Pain cushion, whatever. Something like that. But it's, you earn money. Just one needle, $1. If I put more needles, you earn money back, right?
You got all those diagrams. Do you have a photostatic copy of it to pass it around?
You want? Yeah. If you want, I don't mind to email you. You can put your name there. I email you too. I try to make a handout, but it's I don't know how many people here. But if you like it, you put your name there. I can email this to you. You like it?
Oh, I like it very much.
I can email everybody if you don't mind. Put your email address, your phone number. I guarantee everybody gets this copy. Is that okay? Yeah, and you can do more research. Yeah, and you can email me your questions. I told you, we are not doctor patients, we are friends. Okay? Okay. This is your tongue. Anybody know that? So your tongue is more complicated than you think. In Chinese medicine doctor point of view, you guys think that your tongue, no difference, cannot tell you anything, but in Chinese medicine doctor eyes, huge difference. Okay, you can see the tips. When you have red tips, you have stress. That part belongs to your heart. Okay, you have some pimples at your edge of the tongue. In Chinese medicine, this is your liver problem. Your coating is yellow. That's inflammation. Your coating is white. And the Chinese medicine doctor think, oh, you get a poor digestion problem. Your coating is very thick, greasy. You have poor digestion problem. So every morning, before you brush your teeth, you show your tongue in your mirror. You can give yourself a little bit of diagnosis. Okay, if you have a crack in your tongue, you have to see your doctor. In Chinese medicine, too much cracks, possibly is a sign before you get a cancer. Okay, lots of pupils in your tongue, the body. That means you must have poor circulation. Okay, maybe you have the heart problem. You're going to have stroke. That makes sense. Okay, this is the tongue diagnosis. If you guys are interested, I can give you more educations, informations in the future. Okay, any questions? Okay, move on. Okay, this is your ear. Okay, your ear is the whole picture of your body. Okay, I use the ear. I help lots of clients quit smoking, reduce the craving for the sugar, addiction to the drug, help lose the weight. And you know this part, I think this part, and the triangles, this part. In the evening, if you have insomnia, you cannot fall asleep, you press 2 ears here, 5 minutes, then you slowly fall asleep. Release your stress right away. Yeah, you can try. Yeah, you can try right now. It's working. Yeah. Just their part. Either ear or both ear. Yeah. Yeah.
Whereabouts on that chart? Just go point on the chart.
How to do that? Here? No? Or go? Yeah.
Well, how about stop smoking? Which one do I push?
Shenmen, here.
Oh, right in there.
Here.
Oh, in here.
Okay, put it here. And put it here is your. This is the part is the here. I see here should be stomach here. This part. This liver and this part can help you reduce your craving. This part and this part together. And then you feel your craving for sugar. Huge difference.
Which one is the sleep? Which one will put me to sleep again?
Upper one. We can call it, this is this is, if you have a hip pain, you will put a needle here. This is the hip, between the hip. This is your hip, this is the hip. This is the triangle, this is part. Okay? It's working. Everybody can try by yourself. Press it. Okay? Okay, this is your eyes chart. So you can see different part connect to different organs. Through the eyes, we can diagnose what kind of organs problem. Okay? In China, we can put some needles in the eyes, but not in Canada. Okay? The license not cover that part. Okay? In Canada, in Alberta. Okay? This is your face. In the face, different part connect to your different organs. Okay? Yeah, it's the same strategy, same approach. Yeah, to treat your problem. So, my therapy is a personalized diagnosis by individual. That is why in Chinese medicine, each person belong to different type. So your body is different from another body. So even though you get a prostate cancer in Western medicine, you use the same chemos, same drugs for the prostate cancer. But in Chinese medicine, doctor point of view, you have a different formula, different points to balance your body. Okay, it's not the same. So we can say the Western medicine therapy like a McDonald's, everything same formula. Okay, the Chinese medicine like a Chinese menu, Chinese restaurant. What you kind of menu you order will give you the different menu. That makes sense? Something like that. Okay? So more personalized. Yeah. So you have wood, fire, matter, water, earth. What does that mean? The fire is belong to the heart. Yeah, you have some stress, lose temper, so skinny. This is a fire body. Okay, you are overweight, big belly, lots of waters, overweight. We call it dampness. That's water. This is earth type. Okay, something like that. Yeah, so it is different. You have the kidney problem, swelling, loose hairs. Okay, that is a kidney water type. So when you see the Chinese medicine doctor, the doctor will give you differentiation, diagnosis, and then give you treatment. Balance your body to the normal, not too skinny, not overweight. Okay.
So are you saying that there's only 5 types?
More than that. Just give you examples. But it's any kind of mostly we call the yin and the yang, qi and blood. We just use a different term. Okay, sometimes we say the yin and the yang, qi and the blood, deficiency, imbalance. Sometimes we call it the 5 elements. This is the 5 elements. Okay, so wood type maybe the liver, qi stagnation, liver fire, something like that. But it's just to give you examples. This is more detail, in detail, more complicated. I don't want you guys spend too much time in this part. Otherwise, we have, I just tell Stuart, we have 5 years education. You want me just 30 minutes to finish this? Pretty tough. You know what I mean? Yeah, I just give you examples. Make sense? Yeah. TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture. The basic knowledge is series yin-yang balance, qi and blood balance, 5 elements, 4 organs, 14 meridians, so acupuncture points, herbal formulas, so diet balance, exercises, Tai Chi, Qigong. That is the common terminology we use. Okay, so if you see the acupuncture Chinese medicine doctors, okay, they use this kind of terminology. Okay, so yin-yang balance, I give you example. What's the yin-yang balance? Yin is quiet. Yin make growth. Yang is active. Yang give life. Just like you can see, okay, anything, 2 parts. Man and woman, day and night, down, up and down. Okay, woman in Chinese medicine is yin. Man is yang. Okay, sun is yang, active, light. Okay, the moon is yin. Okay, so your desk, the top is yang and the bottom is yin. Okay, your hands, in the front, the yang, in the back is yin. This is in Chinese medicine, it's Chinese philosophy. Anything has 2 parts. They balance each other, connect each other, help each other. Okay, that is the yin and yang. So that is the basic knowledge of the yin and yang. I think everybody know that, right? Okay, so the yin organs, yang organs, 5 elements. This is a chart. Tell you which organ belong to yin, which organ belong to yang. Okay? Yeah. The yin in Chinese medicine, these organs, no hole inside. What means heart, no hole, liver, no hole. Compare the small intestine, gallbladder, large intestine, there's a hole. There's empty inside. That is the how to divide the yin and yang in the 5 organs. Bladder is a hole inside. It's empty. Okay, this is empty organs is yang. No empty is no hole inside is yin. Liver, spleen, kidney, heart. This is yin. Okay, that's why.
What's a triple burner?
Triple burner is the function disorder. It's triple burners. So your heart, liver, lung, kidney, all the organs divide 3 parts. The 3 parts work together. We divide 3 parts. Your heart and the lungs, upper burner, and your stomach and the spleen. This is lower. It's a middle burner, digestive system. And the lower is the kidney and liver. This is Chinese medicine doctor try to make all the organs in 3 function part. Make sense? Yeah, but you cannot find where the 3 burner, but just your chest and abdomen total together. Okay? Good, yeah.
May I ask, maybe it's an obvious answer to this, but the prostate is a gland. Is it a gland or is it an organ?
In Chinese medicine, it belongs to kidney family. I think it's a gland. It's not, in Chinese medicine, it's not belong to the 5 organ, the 12 organs. They put the gland, prostate gland, in kidney part. So that is why in Chinese medicine, you have a prostate problem, they think your kidney have a problem. In Chinese medicine, the kidney cover your hormone, cover your hormone system, cover your ovary, cover your prostate, something like that. Uterus, okay? So that is I like to choose to show you, because mostly you guys have the prostate issues. That's mostly connected to the kidney yin and yang problem. Okay, if your kidney yin and yang have problem, you have prostate problem, you will affect your liver, your heart, your lung. Okay, that is why when you have prostate cancer, the cancer will slowly go to a different part of the body. That is the Chinese medicine chart, right? Make sense? Yeah. So your yin and yang has to be balanced. Your yang has the opposite opposition each other, and independent each other, mutual consume each other, and inter transformation each other. That means that your yin can transfer to the yang can transfer to the yin. Okay? Something like that. That is, for example, your food. Okay? In Chinese medicine, it's yin, it's a food. It's not active. The food go to your digestive system, give you energy, then change it to the yang. Okay? That is the yin change to the yang. And the yang, you have the energy, you do more work, you eat more, right? That's your consuming your energy. Your energy is consumed, then you produce you eat a lot of nutrition. Your nutrition get more nutrition to your body. Something like that. That kind of approach each other, help each other, transfer each other. Make sense? Okay. So we repeated this part. That means if you are yin and yang unbalance, your body have this kind of will transfer to different type of the problem. Then you have the disease, you have the problem. Then we balance yin and yang, make you the 5 types or more than 5 types, get it balanced, get it correct. Then your body recover. Okay? So another terminology, basic knowledge in Chinese medicine is the qi and the blood and something like qi is energy. Okay? And when you get acupuncture treatment, you feel tingling, numb, you feel your qi energy flow. Okay? The Chinese medicine is your qi. Okay? Your blood, the Chinese medicine, you have blood deficiency. Sometimes you have anemia, sometimes not. The blood deficiency is not only the anemia. It's your period problem, you lose hairs. All this in Chinese medicine is your blood. Your blood have a nourishment. Nourish your body, nourish your skin, nourish your hairs. Okay? So there's your Chinese medicine, qi and the blood have a wide range than the Western medicine, the blood. Okay? This is a different terminology. Yeah. And also the blood fluid, moist, nourish, lubricate. Everybody understands that, right? Yeah. All this acupuncture and herbal medicine work on this part. Make this part come back to normal, then you fix your problem. That is you need to understand that. When you see the acupuncturist, Chinese medicine doctor, they talk about this kind of issue, you get some knowledge. You have any questions, you can ask me more in detail. Just tonight, I just introduced the basic terminology, okay? The Chinese medicine, pathogenic fact, your emotion, okay? So we call 7 emotions: stress, anger, anxiety, something like that. And the food, alcohol, coffee, spices, smoking, overeating, something like that. Okay? The etiology, external etiology in Chinese medicine is you have the pain from the cold, windy, dampness, make you arthritis, make you pain. All this is the Chinese medicine etiology. In our time, in the older Chinese medicine, we don't have the virus infection. We don't know where's the virus. That's 1,000 years ago. We don't know where's the virus, where's the bacteria. But we know there's a flu, but we don't know what causes the flu. Some things they think is windy. Okay? This is the etiology. This is the Chinese medicine etiology. Okay. Okay, so mostly maybe you guys are more interested in this part. Okay, your qi, your energy. Okay, defends you. Okay, defends you. When your qi is low, your fatigue, low energy, your immune is low. So your immune is low, your qi is low, you get a cancer in long term. In Chinese medicine, we don't treat your cancer directly. We work your immune, we work your energy, we work your qi. Make your qi recover, make your energy recover, make your immune recover, so your body slowly recover yourself. That is the philosophy. Okay? So the qi's function is just told the Chinese medicine qi function. That just to ask how the acupuncture works, why the acupuncture works, why the Chinese herbal medicine works. So through our philosophy theory, is you work your qi, work your yin and yang, work your qi in the blood, make your body get a balance, make your qi flow, make your blood circulation get better, make your immune come back, your nervous system, hormone system get a balance, then you cover. That is answer your question, right? We don't work very detailed like Western medicine because we don't have microscope do the research. We just use the kind of philosophy and the logic thinking, and you have the problem, we use the herbals, we use the acupunctures and fix you, and they think, oh, Chinese medicine doctors think, oh, your body have a perfect system, your body just need help, balance your body recover by yourself. That is they develop the Chinese medicine or created Chinese medicine. They from the pathology. Okay, this from the pathology, disease part. Then introduce the physiology. This is a different way. Western medicine, understand the physiology first, then try to know the pathology. Then try to develop the drugs through the animals. This is the modern. In Chinese medicine, different way. You have the disease, you have the problem, I use the acupuncture herbal formula. You have the eyes problem, I balance your liver. And then your eyes problem go away. The Chinese medicine doctor, oh, you must connecting your eyes with the liver. That is why they think the eyes connect to your liver. Understand it? This is Chinese medicine developed that way, created that way. Treat your eyes, not treat your eyes, treat your liver. Okay? You have the migraine headache, they don't put the needle in your migraine headache. They put the needles in the toe. And they put your toes, the liver free, and your headache go away. Or they think you at that point connect to your head. That makes sense? Yeah, and they can repeat. It's not just one person. Yeah, you have the migraine headache, you have the eye problem. They can use the same way. Repeat for everybody. It's working. And then they think it's your qi energy is connecting, your meridian is connecting. And then they think it's your body is connecting each other. Make sense? If you lose hairs, they don't give you any lotion or drugs on top for your hairs. They give you tonify your liver and the kidney. Okay? And then your hairs slowly come back. They think it's your hairs connect to your liver and the kidney. Make sense? Yeah, they do that way. It's a different way. That is why the Chinese medicine, they more working than they explain. It's harder to explain why it's working. Very good question. Why it's working, I don't know either. But it's working. That is why you need experience. So your grandfather or grandmother, they are Chinese medicine doctor. They have more experience to tell you. And you follow that way, it works better than you just change from here or from China. Because they have very good formula. They try to use it for thousand patients. It does work. This is why, as a Chinese medicine doctor, training, education is important. But more important is your experience. You treat so many clients, they get a benefit. You prove your formula, your technique is working. Okay? Just like kind of menu, the restaurant menu. Their family have their menu, cook their food, just like that. And they know how to do that. And it's working for everybody. You cannot learn this from the book sometimes. It's hard to explain by the Western medicine sometimes like that. Okay? But we do more research right now, try to understand why. but still has a lot of things harder to explain. Yeah. Okay, that is the way we talk about the liver, blood, nourishment can work on eyes. Okay, you know, some women have infertility problem. We use the herbal acupuncture treat the liver, balance the blood in the liver, and they get pregnant. And they don't touch the needle. They don't they didn't treat any the uterus, that part. We only treat the liver and the kidney, and the balance, and they get pregnant. They think, oh, the liver connect to uterus, but the Western medicine, it's harder to prove the liver connect to the uterus. No way. Okay. Okay. In Chinese medicine, the qi and the blood, they can, just like yin and yang, they can balance each other, help each other, okay, generate each other. Qi can produce blood, blood can produce qi. Qi moves the blood. If the qi cannot move the blood, you have stagnation, your blood stasis, you have heart attack, you have stroke. That's your qi deficiency, qi stagnation, cannot move your blood. Even your prostate cancer. Okay, you have lots of stress, smoking. Okay, you get the qi stagnation first. You get a pain first. Okay, you get an infection first. You get the inflammation in your prostate first, and it's still drinking alcohol and coffee, sugar, and something like that. You don't care. You have chronic inflammation there, and you eat a lot of red meat. Slowly, your blood stays there, and then the cancer slowly comes out. That is why this is the Chinese medicine philosophy for the prostate cancer. Yeah.
I had shingles about 6 years before I was diagnosed with prostate cancer. Mm-hmm. Is there a relationship between the two?
Absolutely. You can, because I was an oncologist in China, I did a lot of research for the immune. I treat most cancer patients through the immune system. It's not through the chemo. I did the research. I found that before the clients get the cancer, they get the shingles first, particularly for the senior. Their shingles on and off, on and off. What does that mean? There's the immune slow down or weak first. Then you still ignore it, not balanced. Do the prevention, balance your immune, and then slowly your body immune is low and lower, then you get the cancer. And you can Google. Anybody can Google, and the shingles with the cancer. Lots of research, lots of papers comes out. Yeah.
What does Western medicine say about the relationship between shingles and prostate cancer?
They think it's the immune problem. The immune is low because your shingle virus, chickenpox, always in your body, hibernate. Everybody knows that, right? Anybody has the shingles. Yeah, everybody, you know, and anybody you have shingles, just the flare up or not. If you are stressed out, your immune is low, okay, your shingles flare up. Almost everybody have the chickenpox in your body, shingles, virus in your body. Okay, they can sleep there for years, 20, 30, 40 years, and also live there with you together. When your immune is low, they attack you. The shingles flare up. And then slowly make you a genetic mutation, then you get a cancer. I think everybody knows that, right? No? No? Okay, that is a very important part. That is why you need a prevention treatment. Okay? From my research, at least 80% cancer from the chronic inflammation, from the virus. You can research either the chemicals, either the virus. That is the big issue. And the hormone, right now, the hormone replacement. I know lots of breast cancer, they use birth control too much. Eat too much red meat, chicken. Why? Because the red meat, the chicken has a lot of hormone inside. I think everybody knows that, right? No? Okay, I'll give you an example. The Japanese and the Chinese, before they moved to North America, they hardly find the prostate cancer. But after they move to North America, they take the same food. Their risk rate is the same like Caucasians, like you guys, white people. Why? They doubt. Everybody agrees that. Yeah, the Japanese before they move to North America, they have a heart attack. They eat lots of seafood. Okay, since they move to North America, eat a lot of meat, red meat, beef, their heart attack and stroke same rate as you guys. It's diet. Yeah, it's diet. That is why I think in Chinese medicine you have to change your diet, change your lifestyle. Okay, and also another issue is sugar and coffee. Sugar, coffee make you have diabetes. Everybody knows that, right? So diabetes is not good for your heart. Also, diabetes is not good for your prostate too. And the stress, coffee make you more stress. I don't think the coffee release your stress, make you more stress, make you more tension. Okay, make your hormone unbalanced. So that is why, in long term, you have to think about long term. You have stress, eat a lot of sugars, lots of red meat with the hormones. In long terms, your system, balance system cannot correct by itself. Then your organs get a problem. Then get a cancer. So after your shingles, you should slow down, look after your immune. Okay, fix your shingles. And then prevent you get prostate cancer. And that is another issues I want to address. So after your therapy, your renal is better, is remission. It's not, your job is not done yet. You still need long-term look after your immune. Otherwise, your prostate cancer will flare up again. If you don't care what you eat, you drink coffee, beer, alcohol, and also in Chinese medicine, Western medicine, they don't think the sex. In Chinese medicine, too much sex, so make you a high risk to get the prostate cancer. There's a lot of research in that part too. Okay? Yeah. Okay? So any questions so far? Yeah. That is, I mentioned about the qi stagnation, make your blood stasis, blood stagnation. I mentioned to you guys already. Okay? So that is a long-term, your stress, emotion, stress, make your qi stagnation, make your blood stasis, and maybe give you heart attack, maybe give you stroke, maybe give you prostate cancer. Depends on which part of your body is weak, which part of your body has a problem. Okay? So, and also that's the cause of the blood stasis. When you see the Chinese medicine doctor, whatever they're doing, they're working on yin and yang, qi and blood balance. That is a very important part. No more than this. Okay? Has to make your qi flow, your blood stasis go away. And then your body recover by itself. Yeah. Looks like your body very complicated. In Chinese medicine, it's very simple. Okay? So that is, I mentioned, when your qi and the blood stasis, your qi stagnation, your blood stasis, your liver get a liver cancer, heart attack, brain stroke, some lung cancer, something like that, stomach cancer, uterus, fibers, cyst, kidney stone, prostate cancer. That is that gentleman asks the prostate go to the kidney part, right? So I think that this is you guys are more interesting, and the acupuncture and the Chinese medicine can help with the prostate problem, inflammation. I have a very successful case, a gentleman, over 60. He has a emergency pee problem. He feel hot, frequent, go to the washroom, and it's kind of inflammation in his prostate. He get a diagnosis from the doctor, and his wife recommended him to see me for acupuncture rather than use the drugs, antibiotics. And at the beginning, he was not sure. He's suspect, he doubt it's working or not. I told him it's working. You try 6 sessions, how difference. And the 6 sessions, his system totally go away. And then he come back to see his doctor. His doctor told him your inflammation go away. So it absolutely can help the prostatitis, inflammations. And also, before they get the prostate cancer, your prostate get the size enlarged first. We call the prostate hyperplasia. And when it's the age over 50, you go to the washroom every night, 2 times, 3 times. What does that mean? Either inflammation in your prostate or you have another issue, your prostate enlarged. We call the prostate hyperplasia. You have to work on it to fix it as soon as possible. If not, leave it long term, then prostate cancer comes out. Make sense? I think everybody knows that, right? You guys should know that. Okay, so for the prostate hyperplasia, we can do the prevention and can reduce your symptoms. In 6 sessions, you feel difference. Your P feel difference. Your emergency feel difference. Your frequent feel difference. Your pressure feel difference. Your pain feel difference. Okay, and then 3 to 6 months, you get the test again to see how difference for the size, for the inflammation. Okay, prostate cancer mostly I look after is before the treatment, during the treatment, after treatment. Before the treatment, I mostly help the prostate cancers such as stress, anxiety, depression, pain. Okay, during the treatment, chemotherapy or radiation, there's a side effects. I can use acupuncture to balance the side effects, like the urine symptoms, like the burn, frequent, something like that. Okay, and after the chemo radiation surgery, and look after your whole body, and cleansing your drugs, your chemicals from the body, and make you recover fast. Okay, that is I'd like you to know. So TCM acupuncture can help your symptoms like this, and the side effects, the chemo, radiation, and reduce your PSA. Okay? My recommendations for you guys, 6 to 12 sessions, you feel difference. Because the prostate cancer take a little bit longer. Yeah, because the 6 sessions we call one course of treatment. One course of treatment you feel make your chief complaint go away or better. What is your chief complaint? Everybody is different, right? Some might be the pain, right? Some might be the urine problem, right? Some might be the hot flush, menopause, right? Definitely acupuncture and herbs can make your hot flush, menopause go away, right? So that is a hot flush. Anybody have a hot flush? In 6, after your treatment, I know you have a hot flush. In 6 sessions, get acupuncture and herbs, your hot flush will be go. 80% will go away, way better. The woman's hot flush, guaranteed. 6 sessions, way better. No sweating, no hot flush, no anxious, no anxiety. How? Because the acupuncture and the herbs can balance your hormone. Okay, make your body produce your own natural hormone to balance yourself. Make your body recover closer to normal. That is a strategy and approach. Any question? No? Okay. We move on. Okay, just introduce the herbs. My herbs, the Health Canada gift licensed. So safe. No chemicals, no drugs, no heavy metals, no pollution. Because everybody worried that China pollution, my herbs has to be tested. Everything has to be followed the Canadian Health Department standard. Then they give you license. They have to test everything, follow Canadian standard. So guarantee no drugs, no heavy metals, no hormones inside. It's safe. Okay? So this kind of formula I use it for years and years, and it's working. And not only for your prostate problem, or for your hormone, for your immune, for your nervous system, make you good sleep, good energy, good moody. Okay, something like that. So yeah.
When you take the capsules, do you still have to have it for your treatment?
Yeah, it's it depends. You can use the treatment or you can take separate. It depends. So if you don't have any emergency, just use as a prevention or maintenance, you can take the herbs only. Okay. If you have so many problems, symptoms, you want to try the acupuncture, we can do the combination. Okay? Yeah, make sense? Depends. Yeah, it depends. Very. It depends. Yeah. Okay, this is just a little bit introduced about the yin yang balance. I can email you guys. Okay, this is ingredients inside. Yeah. So in the qi in the blood is licensed too. Okay, the balance yin, the yang, qi in the blood, all the herbs is get licensed. Here's Canada get licensed. So don't worry the safety issue. Okay, the quality issue and the effects. Okay.
Where do they manufacture those?
In Canada.
In Canada?
Yeah.
Where? In Calgary?
Calgary. Calgary.
In Calgary?
From my company.
From what?
From my company.
From the company, oh.
Okay.
Where do you buy them?
Why?
Do you buy them just through you, or?
You buy through me, yeah. You can buy through me. You can order through me. You can come to my office. And yeah. This is another herbal formulas. We use the capsules with the formulas. It's much easier to follow. And the intake is much easier. Okay? And it's good for your kidney and the liver because the herbal formula is too complicated. Will give you side effects for your liver and the kidney. Okay? This is the best way. Okay? Go ahead.
I don't see a lot of Chinese men in here. Is prostate cancer common with Chinese men as well?
It makes sense. Before now. Right now, it's trying to eat a lot of red meat and drinking, smoking, and lots of stress too. The prostate cancer comes, the rate is close to North America. Before not. Before they eat more, they don't have much meat to eat, particularly not much red meat to eat. Okay? And yeah, I think absolutely red meat. Okay, hormone replacement. Okay, and the drugs. Okay, and your stress. I know you guys work too hard. That's true. I can see too much stress long term is not good. That is you get shingles first. Okay, shingles first, then slowly get the cancer. You cannot get the cancer overnight. You have to take it long term. Okay. Okay, this is my contact information. Okay, and I have 2 clinics. One's downtown, one's northwest. And this is the phone number, everything. We can email you guys this later. And by the way, if you don't mind, I will introduce my colleagues. And Dr. Ruby Zhang, stand up. She worked with me in downtown. Okay. And another doctor is Hannah Liu. She left. She just, at the beginning, she gave you brochures. She worked with me in the North Clinic. They are all of them trained in China. Okay? They're formally training 5 years. Chinese medicine degree. In China, I have to be 5 years of training. Here's 2 years. Time is a little bit too short. And in China, you have to be doctor, Chinese medicine doctor. You have to practice a lot. See over 1,000 clients, okay, patients. Then you can be a doctor. Here is the Western medicine is a very serious, very restrict, to very limit the conditions very high. But here the system is a little bit different. Any guy you wanted to be a Chinese medicine doctor, acupuncture is go to school, 3 years. Then you're a Chinese medicine doctor, you call yourself. In China, it's different. Thank you. Yeah. He want to be a Chinese medicine doctor. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you guys coming. Any questions? Just let me know. Okay? Yeah. Yeah.
Is Chinese medicine able to diagnose cancer?
Very good question. I hate to say Chinese medicine diagnose cancer, but any medicine cannot be diagnosed cancer only by the microscope find the cancer cells. That is the way diagnose the cancer. Chinese medicine, if you see a Chinese medicine doctor, he's a master. He's a master and he has a lot of experience. He can guess. He can tell you maybe you have the cancer, but we cannot say diagnose you have cancer. That's an illegal problem. You have to be lawsuit that way. Okay, so that means I know your questions. Chinese medicine can tell your qi, your energy, your immune yin and yang imbalance, but cannot tell you you get a cancer or you don't have the cancer. Even they have their power, they cannot say their words. That's a trouble. Yeah, any questions?
What can traditional Chinese medicine offer to the side effects of surgery?
Side effect surgery means scar tissues or the pain? Incontinence, yeah. Good question. Incontinence, the acupuncturists can make the after treatments, give acupuncture and electricity, make the part muscles contraction, loose, stronger, kind of like this. And to balance it slowly your incontinence is getting improving, it's getting better. Make sense? Yeah. Because the needle can reach the muscles. Because after surgery damage your nerve, damage your muscles. Yeah.
How long do you have to wait when you make an appointment to see her?
Usually 1 or 2 weeks. Usually 1 or 2 weeks. Depends emergency or not. 1 or 2 weeks. Yeah, if you're emergency 1 week, you're not emergency 2 weeks. Yes, okay. So if you guys do have questions, I will email you. If you put your name there, I will email you for this letter. And welcome, you're coming, and welcome you have questions. Appreciate your time. Thank you.